Plushie star. Hey, Konata, we're going out on a nature trip. I heard the cherry blossom trees are in bloom this time of year. Konata. Oh, hi. I'm currently waiting to see if I got an invite for something. It's time limited, you know? Yeah, well, this is too. What do? I don't want to miss this, but I don't want to disappoint my friends either. And just come with us, you little nerd. It's actually nice out here. Hi, camera. Flower. Yeah, and Yep, flower. These flowers, they're as small as me. I thought I was supposed to be a short one. Here's the cherry blossoms. Oh, and they're in bloom too. Well, let's go then. Right. Beautiful. You know, Miyuki, I think you could blend in there. I don't know if we'd be able to find her then. This one's smaller. Small and humble. They don't get as much attention from the crowd than the larger ones. Poke, poke. Huh? Poke? Oh, it just grazed the top of my head. This pattern on the ground here. What is it? I can't quite make it out from here. Oh, it's a leaf. Alright, what do you make of that then? Odd rock. Odd rock? It's an odd-looking rock. I guess that's one way to describe it. This is nice. Hey, look up there. Oh! Pecker! No! Oh! What? Well, it's Yep. Trees. Regular old tree. Huh? Hold on. There's something over there. Hello? Bird? Hi! Bird! Hi! Yeah, you too. Leave that little guy alone. Here we are by the lake. I see some water birds around here too. A nice view here. Oh, look! A swan! Look at these two. I feel like I relate to the one that's more compressed. Ducks. What? So close up. Ducks. Oh. Something's carved into the wood here. Well, I don't know what it means though. Ducks. Quack. Repukin, what are you doing? They're geese. I'm gonna jump in. Wait, what? Nah, just kidding, we can't do that. Right, where to next? Oh, there seems to be a little zoo here. Ooh, zoo! Well, let's see what they got. Peacocks. Look at the feathers on that one. It's an emu. Emu is meaning smile. Emu, not emu. Capybaras. Coconut doggy. Llamas. Cusco. The goats? Actually, they're sheep. Oh. Yuck. You know, we could use a bit of a break like them, too. So much walking. Running out of stamina. Stay strong, everyone. I'm beat. My legs are killing me. Same here. Let's head home. I gotta check. I didn't get invited.